In the second exercise, we are stripping the second fish. Where is the egg? Let me do it that way. We are stripping the second eggs. The second egg. We are stripping the semen from the. We call it mute. This is mute in animal science. This is called mute. It's the human semen that is called semen. This is mute. We are stripping the mute from the testicles. Yes. Yes. As you can see, get the normal saline. Bring that and pour it. Bring it. Bring the normal saline. Pour this semen. No. Next thing before you do.
Sorry, sir.
So this is the process. Hold on. This the eggs here are well matured, dark green. We are going to lay this on a different vat. See how milky the milk is? Is milky. That shows that the eggs, the female fish testicles is ideal for procreation. Yes, it's ideal for procreation. Please get me the spoon. Get me the spoon. While the spoon is coming, you do this. You do this. You do this. You do this. Turn it. See, I'm mixing up the eggs with the milk. I'm mixing it. Now the spoon is here. Please rinse the spoon. Rinse it. Yes, we are taking high level of biosecurity measure. We are doing that. That is how I approach this very exercise. Security, biosecurity measure is number one. Without this, you will not achieve your aim in this business, in this exercise. Everything will turn futile. All your effort will be a waste. So that is it. I'm turning it. I'm turning it. I will turn it for like 60 seconds to 90 seconds. Times a minute, 30 seconds. To make sure the eggs and the semen or the milk is properly mixed together before laying. Before introducing it to the vat, actual vat. Yes. Good. We have few of whitish eggs. Few of whitish eggs. This egg quantities are about 200 to 300 grams. And I told us earlier in other video that a gram weight of egg is about 500 to 650 fries that will come out of it. Provided the fish is about 3 kg. But if it is 2.5 kg in weight. We're expecting 450 to 500 fries. In that 450, by the time we have egg mortality, like the ones you're seeing here, whitish eggs, then after that we have fries mortality. This we have 15%, 10% of fries mortality, 5% of eggs mortality. There is no way we will not arrive at 300, 350 survived fries. Multiply by 300